You can pick me up
Yes,
from
sir.
here?
Yes,
You
sir.
can pick me up from here? Out of full transparency and out of accountability, I brought a bus. Two buses here this morning. One has 160,000 miles and one has 170,000 miles. Those are the highest mileage of this fleet of buses that are coming. We have buses that with as less as 60,000 miles. What is important is not only engine, but the condition of the chassis and the interior, etc. So what you are looking at here is a bus with a Cummins diesel engine, Allison transmission, world renowned, that have a life of 300,000 to 500,000 miles, which means we have another 10 to 15 years based on the mileage of this bus. And most importantly, you don't see one oil leak, clean and dry. These buses and these engines are among the best in the world, gold standard. So I didn't bring the 60,000 mile one, because if you brought the 60,000 mile one, you wouldn't know the difference between the 170 and the 60. So if you want, you can go and look on the mileage. It is there on the dashboard, because I want to finish once and for all these negative, wicked and evil comments being made by the opposition against a system that I am making sure is going to tick off every box on behalf of the people and children and parents of rural Jamaica. So see it there, do your own research, Google Cummins, Google Cummins school bus North America, Google Allison transmission, do your own research. I encourage you, and you will come up to the same conclusion that all that is happening out there is a desperate attempt. So bad mind, wicked and evil comments against something that is arguably the best thing that has happened to Jamaica and rural Jamaica in decades, as a matter of fact, since independence. So there it is, Jamaica.